Have you noticed something? We have more information than any generation in history. Anything you want to learn is available with one prompt, one click, one search. Career advice, mental health questions, faith direction, business strategies. AI can explain it all in seconds.
Welcome to King Junkie View, a modern philosophy for young men built on discipline, self-respect, and quiet strength. And still, a lot of young men feel lost, not broken, not lazy, just stuck. And that's not a coincidence, because information solves problems, but purpose shapes identity. And those are not the same thing.
This is a King Junkie production.
You see, there was a season in my life where I had knowledge, books stacked up, courses finished, mentors around me. On paper, I was growing, but internally, I felt like I was drifting. Busy, but not grounded. Learning, but not anchored. Moving, but not aligned.
That's real.
Nobody really prepares you for that feeling, especially as a man. You're told, work harder, learn more, build something real. And those things matter, but knowledge alone doesn't answer the deeper question, why do I matter?
This is a King Junkie production.
And how can I become who I'm meant to be?
Wake up.
That question alone doesn't get solved by information.
Shh. That's real.
It gets shaped through identity. And for me, that's where my faith came in. Not perfectly, not instantly, not in a religious way, but steadily. Faith reminded me my value wasn't just productivity. It wasn't achievements. It wasn't comparison. It was purpose. And discipline helped too. Not extreme discipline, just small, consistent choices.
Less noise, more reflection, less scrolling, more intention. Before we dive in, hit subscribe. You'll learn how to level up and live like the top 1%.
And when you have less of something, it creates more space for clarity. Because here's something most people don't talk about. Modern life is loud, constant stimulation, endless distraction, comparison everywhere. Your brain stays busy, but your identity stays underdeveloped. Psychology actually backs this up. When your attention is constantly divided, your sense of direction weakens, and you start reacting to life instead of leading it. It's similar spiritually. When everything is loud, discernment gets quieter. And to those who say the spiritual is not academic, then why do universities teach metaphysics as a way to explore the nature of reality? You dummy.
This is a King Junkie production.
Wake up.
Now let's talk about AI. AI is powerful, no doubt about that. It can accelerate learning. It can make work faster. It can open up new opportunities. Trust me, I know. I use it. I respect it. I think she's kinda hot, but she's a bot, and you're not. I hope not. So here's a part we need to keep clear.
Tools sharpen skills, they don't build character. And character is where purpose grows. AI can tell you what to do. It can even tell you how to do it. But it cannot tell you why you exist. It cannot walk your journey. It cannot develop your convictions.
To God be the glory.
This is a King Junkie production.
That part is human, that part. And honestly, spiritual too, that part. Because purpose isn't downloaded. It develops through experience, through struggle, through reflection,
This is a King Junkie production.
through faith, through discipline. That process takes time.
Shout out to my evil people in the building. Jesus loves you too.
And that's what a lot of young men are wrestling with right now. Not job loss, not lack of opportunity, but meaning, identity, direction. We have access, but need discipline. We have speed, but need direction. We have information, but need identity. And identity isn't built by following, it's built by leading and being set apart, by choosing what you stand for, what you believe in, what you're willing to work hard for.
That's real.
That's why discipline still matters. That's why faith still matters. That's why mentorship still matters. Shh. That's why human connection still matters. Technology can support them, but it can't replace them. AI is meant to be a tool, so don't be a tool. Do you work the AI, or is the AI working you?
Wake up.
I know you can see right through it. You're not like the others.
You bot!
You're smarter than them.
That's real.
Real growth is slow and uncomfortable because some things are meant to take time. Character, conviction, purpose. Those aren't bugs in the system. They're features of growth. And faith is the operating software. To God be the glory.
So use AI. Learn faster. Work smarter. Build efficiently. But don't lose your identity. Stay grounded in who you're becoming. Stay connected to what gives your life meaning. Stay rooted mentally, physically, and spiritually. Because the future won't belong to the people with the most talent. It'll belong to the people with the clearest identity. So remember this, your purpose can't be downloaded. It's developed through pressure. Stay grounded.
If you're not subscribed to King Junkie View, you probably won't see us again.